What's up, Hallway Gang? It's your boy B Hall back out here with another vlog, daily vlog. This time I ain't got no pickups. Yeah, I got a daily vlog. It's a Saturday, you know, trying to get to it. You know, it's about where am I going? My house. I'm going out. I'm not about to sit in this house. You know what I'm saying? I've been wide awake since 5 a.m. this morning. That's because I went to bed yesterday about 8:30. So that's my schedule, my normal sleep schedule for work. So stay with it. But anyway, man, if you're new to the channel, remember hit that like, share, subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? Turn on the bell, get all post notifications, and we're gonna keep this thing rolling to 1,000 subs and above. Alright. So what I'm doing today is I know I'm going to Best Buy to see if they got this VR for my son. And if they do, then it's cops. If they don't, oh well. Then after that, I think I'm probably shoot by the mall. No, I ain't gonna shoot by the mall. I just got some new kicks in. Remember, go check my video out. It just dropped today, actually, Saturday, November 9th. So go check that out. And yeah, man, I'm about to just continue with my day, try to squeeze a vlog out of it. You know what I'm saying? I don't know who's gonna be on it, so just gonna do my thing. You know what I'm saying? And just chill with it. You know what I'm saying? It's better than trying to hustle, trying to vlog, this vlog hustle. So I mean, let me know what y'all want to see though from me. You know what I'm saying? Just, you know, leave it under the comment section, you know, on YouTube, just to let me know. So I'll see y'all when I get to Best Buy. Alright, y'all, I'm in Best Buy. See if they got this thing I'm looking for. This shit. See, it's over here. Ain't a little bit of copyright going up in here. I'm not asking nobody for help to find this. I'm a big boy. Look down here. Toys, PlayStation. Here we go. Let's see. Don't see it at all. Nope. They don't have it. Don't have it. We got the Lion King though. Simba, remember who you are. Mario Brothers, Transformers, UK Roses, other wild stuff. Yeah, they ain't got what I'm looking for. Shoot. Let me ask the lady. Call around so she can find it. See if I'm willing to drive. Alright, I'll check back in with y'all. I thought they had it, man. It's cool. Well, sorry, Bryce Mo. Hallway Gang, come to find out, they did have it. It just wasn't on the shelf. So, woo! I'm averted from that. So let me go ahead and get in this car real quick. Ooh wee. Oh my goodness. Yes. Converted from that. So let me call my wife and let her know. I'll let y'all know on when I figure out what I'm gonna do next. I'll holler at y'all when I figure out what I'm gonna do next. I'm gonna call my wife. Cause that's it. Alright. I don't know why I did this on this camera, but we are in the Nike store, so I don't know. This really teed me off, but like, why would you have a camera that doesn't record sound but records video? That's retarded. But anyway, if we're walking down the Jordan now, you know, we got the quote unquote, you know, other mics. You know what I'm saying? These ain't no retros. These just mics. I mean, Nikes with Michael Jordan on them. It's not Air Jordans and nothing like that. But, you know, we on the back wall. We on the hash wall. You know, they had some things over there. So I'll go down to my side, see the ambushes and stuff. And they got these chocolate brown Air Forces. I really like those. I really liked those. So we see the Jason Kidds, got some low cut sixes, golf sixes. Them Terminators, which are very, very ugly in my opinion. Then we got some you know what I'm saying, I'm looking for them chocolate boys. I see them right there. So I'm like, man, I really want those. I really want those. You know what I'm saying? I was like, should I get them? Should I get them? You know, so I'm looking, trying on. I try them on, but you know, that's neither here nor there. So I'm just like, let me see if I can find like a 10.5 at least, because you know 11 gonna be flopping off my foot, you know, Air Forces and stuff. So I'm looking. Then you know I'm looking. So I'm like, yeah. So I'm like, and then I'm looking over. I'm like, oh, you know, so they got some more ugly Terminators. They got some crazy looking Air Force Ones that I thought were like bogus, like those blue and teal, and then those I don't even know what the color that is, but yeah, you know, so they got more ugly Terminators. So I'm like, man, let me see. So, you know, then the hash wall, it was 40% off. So I'm like, ooh, look at them boys. Them cold right there. And I'm like, oh, man. So I'm like, ooh. So I'm kind of like stuck between the two Air Forces. So I'm like, I think about like, man, you about to get the olives. They in the mail. I ain't, you know what I'm saying? The olive 9s. I'm like, man, they in the mail already, bro. So I'm like, but, you know, for the prices that they were, you know what I'm saying? I'm like, okay. Let me walk around. Let me think about it. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, we're just going, you know, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just thinking in my head. I don't really know what's going on. See, I'm looking back at the shoes, and I'm like, all right, let me just walk around and think about it. But I'm thinking about those yellow boys. Them yellow ones was cold. So we just walking, you know, we were just like, you know, the WP people, trainers and stuff like that. But so yeah, we walking. So I'm like, you know, let me see if they got some shoes for my son. So I'm like, I really don't know. I'm like, I'm looking. I'm thinking like, what? I'm like, he got some shoes already. This, you know, this is all the stuff going through my head and stuff. I was like, this is your day. This is your day. Buy you something. That's what I'm thinking. So I'm like, all right, let me go see what other Air Jordans they got. So I'm like, damn, got those Shadow 2.0s, those Orchid ones or whatever. Then got the Mauve ones. Then there's like the Navy ones. Then they got the Reimagined ones, which are terrible. They shouldn't have put the suede on those shoes, in my opinion. And then they high. Then they got those. I don't even know what those called. They just had a lot. Then they had, you know, the ones that Mike had on in The Last Dance. Then Then those right there, I remember these. I was in college when those came out for the first time. It's still kind of like, you know. So I'm like, oh, let me see. Oh, they got the Vomeros. I'm like, damn, they ain't got the colors that I want. That color is ugly. So then I'm like, I'll go to this hash wall. It's just random sizes of everything. So, you know, you got some Jordan 1s, some Air Forces, some Jordan 4s. So I'm like, dang, they got all these Jordans, but I guess they really can't move them like that. And this is on 87th and South Chicago. So, no, 87th and Cottage Grove, rather, my fault. But yeah, so I'm just like, all right, hallway gang. I'm at my mom Deuce crib now. I just left my grandparents' crib, but I'm at my mom Deuce crib, and I ain't finna take the camera in there either. But, you know what I'm saying, I just want to, you know, let y'all know what a typical off day is like for me as being off from work and stuff. So I decided to, you know, pick up my camera and, you know, try to keep this YouTube thing going. But that's all I got for y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? Till next time, hallway gang. Peace.